I'm like Duke Togo, better known as Go-Go. And if you on my hit list, then you probably won't know. You caught if you see the flash of my photo. Mr. Big on midnight runs, the inventor of low pro. Out all night, leading the stakeout. Right across from your building, scarfing down some takeout. I see who you take out, brought home and ate out. Tomorrow morning I got all the facts laid out. And it's no business of yours what I do with it or how I'm using it, I'm just trying to get paid out. Who would've thought information would be so valuable? Not me years ago, but best believe now I do. They call me a coward though, I do what I excel in. Rather live legal than die as a felon. But everybody hates me and is scared to get close to me. But I wouldn't catch you at all if you had noticed me, the eye in the sky.
Write the reels and cue the replay. Every secret, every lie, hiding in the deepest shadow, behind the static on your line.
We see what you saying and who you say it to. For your protection, of course, so we surveilling you. Your favorite president made this info available, and if you slip up, then you better believe we nailing you. And we don't need no stinking warrants. We are the enforcement and we determine the importance. 702 database, and I don't mean Vegas, but the age of information. Millions of dates and faces, basing your conversations, decoding what you saying, monitor what you making, even who you be dating. The encryption won't stop my affliction. I gets in this system and listen. Snowden's in Russia, I hope that he gets snowed in. We worked hard to close in the breaches he opened. Who would've thought information would be so valuable? Not me 10 years ago, but best believe now I do.
Write the reels and cue the replay. Every secret, every lie,
yeah,
hiding in the deepest shadow, behind the static on your line.
Check it out. Examine every cranny, nook, and run reconnaissance to form a collective consciousness, aware of Sandy Hook. If the camera looked in on every threat and problem, be theaters in Colorado, do marathons run in Boston. Imagine those never lost, ask people who had lost them. Privacy's a sacrifice that they gladly took. I got a data network, it's made for your protection. Why little loss of freedom, leaving people badly shook? Where do we draw the line to save a life or stop a crime? Virginia Tech or Columbine? Yo, you mind I have a look? If I can see the signs, then we can lead the blind. What's a little peeping eye for a little peace of mind? Seeking you shall find. You got Netspend, PayPal, an online bank account, Facebook, Gmail? I'm on that right now. Online, retail, recording your activity in this handy book.
Write the reels and cue the replay. Every secret, every lie, hiding in the deepest shadow, behind the static on your line.